To fix Afterpay not working on Amazon, start by ensuring you have a valid Afterpay account and that your account is active. Check your email for any notifications from Afterpay regarding account restrictions or payment issues. Next, verify that your Amazon account is set up to use Afterpay as a payment method. Sign in to your Amazon account. Go to the Payment Options section and confirm that Afterpay is listed as an available payment method. If it is not listed, you may need to add it by selecting the option to use a different payment method and then choosing Afterpay. Check your available spend limit with Afterpay to ensure you have enough funds available for your purchase. If your available spend limit is too low, you can try to make a payment on an existing purchase to free up more funds or request a limit increase through the Afterpay app. Another step is to ensure your Amazon and Afterpay accounts have the same information, including your name and address. Mismatched information can cause issues with Afterpay payments on Amazon, so make sure to update your accounts if necessary. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can also help resolve issues with Afterpay on Amazon. Sometimes, stored data in your browser can cause problems with payment processing, so try clearing your cache and cookies and then attempt to use Afterpay again. If you are still having trouble, try using a different browser or device to see if the issue is specific to your current browser or device. This can help you determine if the problem is with your device or browser rather than your Afterpay or Amazon account. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Afterpay customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide more specific guidance on how to fix the issue and get back to using Afterpay on Amazon.